Hey guys, what's up? So Apple has announced the iPhone 12 launch event which will take place on the 13th of October, and apart from the new iPhones, it is expected that Apple will release some accessories as well, such as AirTags, Home Studio and over-the-ear headphones. Now AirTags has been rumored for a while and the graphics on the invite looks very similar to the design of the AirTags as leaked by John Prosser. These are small accessories that you can attach to any of your devices which can be tracked later in case you lose the item even without needing any sort of connectivity thanks to the ultra-wideband technology. Now John Prosser is saying that the AirTags has been postponed to March 2021 and we have no evidence to think otherwise, so these may not be announced at the event after all. We also have the design of the AirPods Studio, which is Apple's way of naming the over-the-ear headphones. The design has been shown by John Prosser and it looks really clean and minimalistic, much like other products from Apple. But John is saying that the design belongs to the more premium variant made of high quality leather and metal, which might retail for $599, while a more budget-friendly variant made of cheaper materials would retail for $350. Now, Apple has already stopped selling audio accessories from other brands at their stores, pretty much confirming that they will be announcing their own audio products soon. Also, according to John, the mass production of AirPods Studio won't be completed until the 20th of October, so they won't be announced at the high-speed event as well. They might be announced with a press release towards the end of the month or early next month. They will, however, announce the HomePod Mini at the event, which will have a 3.3-inch speaker built in and will be approximately 48% smaller than the standard HomePod. Apparently, it will have the U1 chip and will act as an ultra-wideband hub in your home to interact with other UWB-powered devices in your house, for example, iPhones, watches, AirPods, etc. Seems like UWB is really important for Apple as it is not only incredibly accurate for location tracking, but it's also super fast for data transfer. However, it will reportedly launch on November 6 or 7 and will be available by 16th or 17th. Price is $99, it is $200 less than the standard HomePod's current price. Moving on to the juicy stuff, the most exciting thing about the event has to be the new iPhones, and as you already know, Apple will be releasing 4 iPhones this month, a 5.4-inch iPhone mini, 6.1-inch 12 and 12 Pro, and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. Apart from the sizes, the phones will have slightly different camera setup, with the 12 mini and 12 having a dual camera setup like the iPhone 11, while the Pro models will have a triple camera setup with an additional LiDAR sensor compared to the 11 Pro series, which might be useful for depth measurement, AR, etc. The 3 cameras will reportedly be a wide-angle, ultra-wide and telephoto lens. Besides, the wide-angle lens will be a 7p lens with f1.6 aperture, and the camera modes include a 4x and 5x digital zoom on the Pro and Pro Max respectively. That said, the biggest difference between 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max according to Kang will be the wide angle on 12 Pro Max with a 47% larger sensor with 1.7 micron pixels and 65mm focal length, while the Pro will have a smaller 52mm lens. Design-wise, we can expect the new iPhones to have a boxy appearance, more like the iPhone 4S and 5 rather than their predecessors. All the models will have a Super Retina XDR display, which is just a fancy word for an OLED panel. It will have a Full HD Plus resolution, but the refresh rate would be capped at 60Hz across the board. Now 2020 has been the year of high refresh rates, but Apple still hasn't caught up to the trend. And though iPhones are generally smooth, a 120Hz refresh rate can't be matched with software optimizations alone. So if you really want a high refresh rate phone from Apple, you'll have to wait another year for the iPhone 13. Also, the iPhone 13 will have a smaller notch, with Ice Universe saying that it will be smaller in height instead of the size, while John Prosser claiming that the notch would be smaller in width. Of course, these are some early leaks, so there may be changes down the line. Also, the displays will reportedly have a new screen glass technology, according to which Apple will use ceramic substrate glass to increase the hardness and drop resistance, which I think is necessary after seeing the Note 20 Ultra beat the iPhone 11 Pro by a huge margin in PhoneBuzz's drop test. All these phones will be powered by the Apple A14 SoC, which is based on a 5nm manufacturing process and comes with 5G support. So all the iPhone 12 models will have 5G. However, only the USA models will have the millimeter wave standard initially, according to a reliable leaker. Storage-wise, the iPhone 12 mini and 12 would start at just 64GB of storage, which is just not acceptable in 2020, with even mid-range phones starting at 128GB. However, you get the option of 128 and 256GB storage variants. The 12 Pro and Pro Max, on the other hand, would start at 128GB as the base storage. You also get more RAM on the Pro models at 6GB compared to 4GB on the non-Pro variants. Coming to the price, according to Kang, the iPhone 12 mini would retail for $699, 12 at $799, while the Pro models would go for $999 and $1,099, which doesn't match with the previously leaked price of $649 and $749 for the iPhone 12 mini and 12 given by John Prosser. So we'll have to wait a bit more for the actual prices. Also, the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro will be available in October, with pre-orders starting on the 16th, while they will be available in store on the 23rd. The 12 mini and Pro Max are reportedly delayed until November, with Kang saying they will be available for pre-order on the 6th and 13th of November, while being available in the stores after a week. You will have a bunch of colors to choose from on the 12 mini and 12, with both the phones coming in red, blue, green as well as black and white, while the Pro models will be available in gold, silver and graphite blue, which is rumored to look a lot like navy blue. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.